To the untrained eye, the crypto world can appear complicated and unnerving. Making a start and buying some crypto coins may even seem like something only for a pro trader. Fortunately, that's not the case. In this video, I will show you exactly how to buy your first coins, from choosing the right currency all the way to keeping it safe. I've broken down the basics and highlighted all the key points you should remember before investing in crypto too. Let's dive straight into the 5 simple steps you can follow to buy crypto as a beginner. So step 1 is choosing the right coin to buy. If you know a bit about crypto already and have a coin in mind you want to purchase, great. But if you're still not sure, here's what you should know. When choosing a coin to invest in, it's essential to remember not to follow trends blindly. As inviting as they may sound, and as often as you would hear your friends bragging about how much they've made in a week, things are rarely that simple. I always strongly encourage you to do your research, assess the amount you can invest, and decide accordingly. Take a look at websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko for additional research. You can find good indicators for gauging a coin's position here, like ranking and recent price trends. You should also take a look at the coin's website itself to assess how strong the coin's fundamentals are. Ultimately, try to look for coins that are well known or have solid backing, and in this way, you can avoid potential scam coins more easily. Another point to remember in crypto is that things sometimes go differently than expected. As with traditional finance, values can go up and down, so invest at your own risk. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with Ethereum. It's a coin you might have already heard about, as it's one of the market's oldest, most popular, and high-value coins right now. Now that you have some ideas, where can you buy crypto anyway? Step 2 is about choosing an exchange. Just as you should choose a coin to invest in by doing prior research, it's essential you also look carefully for reliable platforms to purchase on. 2 of the most popular exchanges are Coinbase and Binance. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Binance. It's one of the biggest exchanges out there and offers a pretty low barrier to entry for beginners. Now, it's crucial to make sure you are accessing the correct URLs for the platform you are using. This means checking to ensure you are trading on the correct, authentic website with a padlock displayed in the address bar. So once you know which exchange you want to buy from, you can move on to Step 3. Signing up to the exchange. This is what the Binance homepage looks like. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and make one or sign into your existing account. To do that, click on Sign in with email or phone and enter your email address. You will receive a verification code to your email address, so make sure you enter it correctly. Upon completion, you will arrive at your dashboard, which should look something like this. You can now complete your profile by verifying your account and filling in the rest of the details later. Congratulations! You've now set up your Binance account and your gateway to buying crypto. Alright, now that your account is all set up, it's time to actually use it. So let's look at Step 4, buying coins on the exchange. When buying coins on the exchange, it's very important to keep in mind not to invest more than you are willing to lose. This is because ultimately, crypto is extremely volatile, and there's no telling where the market will go. Before I dive into buying crypto though, take a look at what the wallet on Binance looks like. You'll want to hover above the wallet option and click Overview. Since I've just created this account for the purpose of this video, my balance is 0. I guess yours might be too. Returning to your dashboard, you can see 3 main options to choose from when buying or selling assets from the Buy Crypto button. For the sake of this video, I'll go with Buy Crypto with your card. All you have to do beyond this point is enter the amount you are willing to spend. You'll automatically see the amount of Ethereum you can receive in exchange. Then click Continue, and depending on the platform you're using, it'll take around 10 minutes for the coins to be transferred to your wallet. And by the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Now, bear in mind that the coins you have just purchased are stored in the exchange's wallet. For better security though, I recommend you store your coins off the platform. And that brings you to my next step, which is Step 5, transferring crypto outside of an exchange to keep it safe. So what I want to show you now is how to move your coins to your personal wallet. It's an enhanced security measure because as long as your coins are on an exchange and connected to the internet, there's always a risk from hacking attempts. But where do you move them? Well, the primary method for storing cryptocurrency is in personal crypto wallets. These come in 2 main categories, hot wallets or cold wallets. Hot wallets operate online, and since they're internet enabled, they're at higher risk of hacking, hence hot. One of the most popular is called MetaMask. On the other hand, cold wallets are not connected to the internet and hence lower risk or cold. They typically take the form of physical devices, much like USB sticks. The Ledger's Nano X is a great example of a popular cold wallet. To best protect your assets, I recommend using such hardware wallets, along with two-factor authentication to safely store your coins offline. When choosing a personal wallet, make sure that the wallet you are choosing supports the cryptocurrency you are investing in. Some wallets can accept Ethereum, while others can accept Bitcoin, and so on, for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Since you are just starting with crypto, I recommend a simple and convenient web wallet like MetaMask, as it's natively compatible with Ethereum. If you don't have a MetaMask account or are hearing about it for the first time, don't worry, I have you covered. I have a dedicated video you can watch about how you can set up your MetaMask account. That should get you up to speed. Anyways, let's resume transferring coins from Binance. From the homepage, click on Wallet and go to the Fiat and Spot option. Scroll down until you see the list of coins you can transfer. Choose your coin from the list and click on the Withdraw button from the action ribbon. You should arrive at a screen looking like this. Now, the problem here is that since you've set up a new account, you do not have any biometric data stored nor a passkey set to carry out transactions safely. At this point, you will have to verify your account before you can actually withdraw any crypto. Do that by clicking on Enable Now and follow the steps Binance provides for you. This process may include facial verification and proving your residential information. Once you have verified your account, you can get back to withdrawing your coins. Next, on the withdrawal screen, you'll have to enter the address of your MetaMask wallet and a withdrawal network and send your funds there. You can find the public address of your MetaMask wallet as shown here. And in fact, there's actually a small copy icon beside the address on top. All you have to do now is click that and paste it on the Binance website. Once that's completed, send it through from Binance and congratulations! You've just transferred your first crypto to your very own wallet, safe and sound. To recap, so that's all there is to it. In this video, you learned about the importance of conducting solid research into both the right coin and identifying a reliable exchange like Binance before making your first purchase. I walked you through the process of creating an account and buying your first cryptocurrency, always remembering to invest only what you can afford to lose. Critically, you saw how to safeguard your investment by transferring it from the exchange to your personal wallet. Whether it be a hot wallet like MetaMask or a cold wallet like the Ledger Nano X, the security benefits are clear. With these insights, you are now better equipped to navigate the exciting yet volatile landscape of crypto. Enjoy your first purchase, and good luck. Before you go, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to you soon.